Look at me, little one. I am your golden crown. I will make you the best, the strongest, and higher than everyone else. You are so heavy. My neck hurts and your crown stops me from seeing my friends. Why are you doing this? I do this to protect you. Aren't you afraid of being ordinary? Don't you fear being ignored? I am the shield that hides your weakness. So, you're not power, you're fear wearing gold. True strength doesn't need to hide my face behind a mask. I'll stay special because I'm me. Thanks for the message, but I will lead my kingdom now. You've uncovered my secret. Now I am no longer your burden, but your strength. I remain behind you, leader. I am the leader in this house, and every guest makes me stronger.